This is Frank Fortunato with CATEX TV in Princeton, New Jersey. Today is Friday, October 28, 2011. Well, this is very interesting. The CEO of Transatlantic RE says that he has a strong belief in Transatlantic's prospects as a standalone company. This is following confirmation that he's still in discussion with three parties over a possible takeover deal. Mr. Orlich retires at the end of this year, another 3 months. He said that he was unable to confirm under persistent questioning from the board, from the analysts, whether or not the Transatlantic board actually wanted to do a deal. He said that we've been pretty clear with what we expect out of any transaction. Our appetite in general, he said, if it improves shareholder value, means we'll entertain any transaction that comes its way. He says that the standalone prospects for Transatlantic are great. Meanwhile, the figures included a $57 million breakup charge they had to pay to Allied World. He's been reportedly in discussion with Berkshire Hathaway and with Validus, and with an effort led by former Gen Re CEO Joe Brandon, as well as another group that's yet to be identified. Well, the National Basketball Association strike might be nearing an end. Hundreds of millions of dollars of claims have been made in business interruption claims and event cancellation in arenas around the country. The first checks to be paid to NBA players are due to be paid November 15th. They haven't been hit yet, but the season will not start on time, so those checks are going to be interrupted. Somebody's going to be on the hook for a claim. The financier Stephen Cohen, who built up SAC, one of the world's biggest hedge funds, in fact now is confirmed he's going to set up his own reinsurance company in Bermuda next year. The person running it, as we've reported already, is former Lancashire executive Simon Burton. Andrew Barile, who's an industry veteran observer, said that he calls it the sheep theory. When one sheep leaves the barn, they all follow it. It's exactly the same with hedge funds. Stephen Loeb and Jeffrey Einhorn have set up reinsurers as well. Aon has released their numbers. They just came out this morning, so the only things we have are highlights here. They came in at a quarterly profit below Wall Street expectations as rising costs and a negative currency impact offset higher income from its human resource solution business. That would be the Hewitt Group that they bought. They came in at 69 cents a share. Analysts have been expecting 73 cents a share. There'll be more information on that over the next few days. Endurance from Bermuda said that they're going to fall to a third quarter loss as it reports a $20 million deficit for the period. The combined ratio deteriorated to 104.6 points. Partner Re said that they expect to book $169 million in cat losses in the third quarter, mainly from the Japan quake and the tsunami that took place in March. They also had a $35 million hit from Christchurch. And Validus said that their profits have plunged 76% to $56 million as cat losses, foreign exchange, and investment write-downs have hit them. In Iran, an explosion at a state-run oil field in the southern part of the country killed a worker and injured 3 others. Another refinery in central Iran is reported on fire in a separate incident. And last night, the St. Louis Cardinals clawed back and won a game in the 11th inning, 10-9. This means there will be a Game 7 against the Texas Rangers tonight in St. Louis. And tonight, or probably early tomorrow morning at some point, the baseball season will finally end in the United States, not to begin again until February 16th next year, when pitchers and catchers report to spring training. That's the news for today. Have a good weekend. If we have any breaking news, we'll come back and tell you. Thank you for watching.